Here's some rugby union trivia. Subscribe. Which tournament is the premier annual competition for Northern Hemisphere Rugby Union? Is it A, Top League, B, Six Nations Championship, C, Rugby World Cup, or D, Rugby Championship? The correct answer is B, Six Nations Championship. What is the maximum number of players per side in rugby union? Is it A, 15, B, 13, 17, or D, 11? The correct answer is A, 15. In rugby union, what is the term for scoring 5 points by grounding the ball? Is it A, try, B, conversion, C, goal, or D, penalty? The correct answer is A, try. Which country won the first Rugby World Cup in 1987? Is it A, England, B, New Zealand, C, Australia, or D, South Africa? The correct answer is B, New Zealand. Which position is responsible for throwing the ball in at lineouts? Is it A, prop, B, flanker, C, scrum half, or D, hooker? The correct answer is D, hooker. What term is used to describe a player who kicks the ball from the ground or a tee? Is it A, kickerback, striker, C, booter, or D, kicker? The correct answer is D, kicker. Which nation is known as the Springboks? Is it A, Australia, B, England, C, South Africa, or D, New Zealand? The correct answer is C, South Africa. In rugby, what is the 2-point score awarded for a penalty kick called? Is it A, free kick, B, kick conversion, C, drop goal, or D, penalty goal? The correct answer is D, penalty goal. What is the name of the governing body for rugby union in the UK? Is it A, RFU, B, WRUCW, or D, UK RFU? The correct answer is RFU. What is the duration of a standard rugby union match? Is it A, 90 minutes, B, 60 minutes, C, 80 minutes, or D, 75 minutes? The correct answer is C, 80 minutes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.